Avengers, $750 million. I'm just throwing numbers, but they're all in hundreds of billions of dollars. I'll tell you what those things are doing to the next generation of creative-minded people. Do you know? Does anyone know? It destroys your self-confidence in becoming a filmmaker. Where are you going to find $500 million to make a film? So drop the idea, don't make films. You see what they've done to the world? Then Nollywood has come to say, hey, Presto, we haven't got that amount of money, but we can make a film. So we developed. You said they made films from their own community, their culture. We developed from our own cultural characteristics, skill sets that helps us make good films without spending a huge amount of money. Now that's what makes Nollywood tick, and we consistently practiced it, and it brought us out to the world, and now brought us into their level. And we are now called the second largest film industry without £100 million, with just tiny pocket money. So that trick is what makes Nollywood stand out and tick, and that is what we teach the next generation of filmmakers. We bring back hope to tell you, you don't need $100 million, man. You go out here after today, make a film and win awards, and go out there and rub shoulders with Titanic. We show you how to break through without money. That's why Nollywood is unique, and they are all surprised. How did we manage it? Do we understand it now? So what we teach in our workshops is self-confidence, and confidence in your creativity, confidence in your ability, confidence in your vision, and the know-how to use what is available to you, available resources, to translate it into a story and still tell your story. Filmmaking is all about stories. Anyone disagree? Anyone disagrees? Everyone agrees. Filmmaking is about what? Storytelling. How you tell your story is down to you. Your unique story that is unique to yourself. Push it through your community of population. Start from your family. Sell your story to your family. Get them to like what you do. Push it out there online.